Guys, I've been hearing some strange voice, well, not voices, but loud stomps or something in my house. Oh, like first at like nighttime, I heard a um loud drop of something like a big box on the floor, like drop like like that somewhere. I It was when I was in my room about to go to bed. And like that thing, it just like dropped on the floor. Like I don't know if it was from my room, my mom's room, or even downstairs in the living room. I don't know. When I came downstairs in the living room, everything was fine. Everything was fine, but like there was something that dropped. Like it was loud. So like I don't know if it was from my room or not, or in the hallway. Like I don't know. My door was even open too. Like man, like and my mom, well, like I went in her room, we went downstairs, we watched the movie. Like I had something to eat, chicken wings. I know they're good. This is going to be a talking video. Like dude, like remember let me show you something. Uh Let me show you. This is what she put on her hole. Remember on the vlog? Showed you this to cover it up. Yeah. And cannonball, just sorry, I just jumped on my bed. We got a night. Well, it's my mom. Well, we just got this thing. I don't know why. Well, then after that strange noise, there is one noise that was oh yeah, it was like this thing. It was sort of like knocking. Like you want me guys to show you? Or like okay, I will. So it was like for almost a minute from downstairs when I woke up. Literally, sorry, I'm getting a little sick, but not like actual sick. I can still play outside and that, but still, I know I'm wearing the same shirt. It's just well, I've been wearing it for 2 days. So just watching drama. And plus the third one. What was the third one? It was actually when I was in here. My mom, she was laying right here. I was laying like right there where my dog is. Mom was sitting right there. Like, oh, my mom's home. I'm coming! It's just my mom. Oh, here. I know, I'm filming a YouTube channel. I hope you're not doing it in my room. Oh, sorry. I'm talking about no, stop. And then, like, when my mom was there, I was there too. And then, like, there was, like, this thing, I was like, sorry. I don't know how to say it, but it was a nice